Stewy and Emery are on a quest today to find the big three to see in Mykonos. Little Venice, Mykonos Windmills, and Matogianni Street. We'll start by walking around the bay from the cruise ship tender docks. As we walk along, we must navigate by the seat of our pants, as we can't actually see any of the attractions from the walkway around the harbor.
So we are in Mykonos.
Mykonos, yay!
The island of Mykonos,
Yes.
right? And the town, what town is this?
Mykonos?
Mykonos Town?
I don't know.
We don't know. Because
It
Santorini,
says, welcome to Mykonos.
we found out, Santorini doesn't actually have a city named Santorini. It's the island.
Right.
So this is
And
the island.
Mykonos is the island.
We got, what, 4 cruise ships?
Those
All-
are yachts, but we do have a couple MSC, a Royal Caribbean, a Norwegian,
All tendering.
Costa. Yep.
Nobody's parking here because they're too big.
But the tendering's better. We get more dropped off from more into the center of town
I like it.
instead of having to get a cab ride from the dock.
True.
Oh, that guy just
Hold
lost
your
his
ball
hat.
cap. Well, his is gone now. This might be a photo op here. What do you say?
Okay.
Take a shot. Ooh, look at the fish in there. All right.
I
There's
see.
the fish all in there. Oh, I have to get a Mykonos hat on the way home, way back.
Yeah.
Oops.
Mykonos is a Greek island that has a long and rich history. According to mythology, it was formed from the petrified bodies of the giants that Hercules killed in his 12 tasks. The island was named after Mykonos, the son of King Delos, which was one of the sacred islands nearby.
So far, so yeah, the breeze is wonderful.
Mykonos Town is called Chora by the locals and built around a bay as it follows the traditional Cycladic architecture. It has whitewashed cubic houses with wooden doors, windows, and balconies painted in bright colors. It has narrow streets forming a labyrinth, which was for protection from the pirate attacks. Beautiful churches, lovely chapels, and purple bougainvillea, contrasting with the bright white of the building walls.
Oh, look at the different colored boats. We've got to get some shots of that.
Oh, yeah.
Those are really pretty. Oh, this is a really nice scene.
Today, Mykonos is one of the most popular and photographed tourist destinations in the world, known for its beautiful beaches, nightlife, and landmarks.
Look at the seagulls. So crazy.
Now,
This must be Little Venice.
yeah.
Wouldn't you think?
I'm wondering what that eye thing is we see everywhere.
Stewie's bucket list was to see Mykonos and see the windmills, and guess what's right over there? While we're having a drink, something to eat, and we can have a view of that. We got a great breeze. The ocean's right here, and we got some cool wooden menus.
Katarinas
Katarinas
in Mykonos.
in Mykonos.
Looking at the windmill.
Looking at the windmills, you can see them right over there. It's a wonderful view. And look at the waves hitting over there against that wall. Really.
Very windy. It's nice. Oh, another cute place.
Oh yeah. Craft City.
Oh, I gotta get a little shirt for going here.
Going in here?
Yeah.
Little Venice is a charming neighborhood that resembles the famous Italian city, with its colorful houses built on the edge of the water. Here you can admire the sunset, sip a cocktail at one of the many bars, or browse the art galleries and souvenir shops.
There's got to be a main road, I think. I think we're getting close.
There they are.
There they are.
That's Little Venice right there. Yeah.
No, and when we get up on top of this, there'll be some nice. We might be able to go that way. Let's just go straight up then.
Yeah.
Here's the famous windmill. Believe it or not, these are the windmills.
The famous Mykonos Windmills.
Mykonos Windmills. And there's a lot of wind. So
It's really windy.
you can see why they put them here. But
Yeah.
back in the day,
Right.
people's hats are blowing off everywhere.
I know.
Birds are flying really fast.
Oh, jeez, it's so windy. I can't even hold the phone.
I know.
Mykonos windmills are a symbol of the island's history and heritage. These 16th century structures were used to grind wheat and produce flour for the locals. Today they stand as a reminder of the past and offer a panoramic view of the town and the harbor. This picturesque town also boasts an excellent food scene worth exploring. For a delicious lunch or dinner, you can visit the traditional Mykonos tavernas, serving plenty of local dishes and delicacies. A great way to connect with the Mykonos culture. Matogianni Street is the main shopping street of Mykonos, where you can find everything from high-end fashion brands to traditional handicrafts.
Okay, this is what Mykonos is like. For real. Okay, you ready? Let's merge.
Oh yeah, the tour.
We merge. I think if we go straight ahead, we don't have to go through this stuff,
Yeah.
like last time.
It's like no one's going that way, so I don't understand. No one's like going that way, so I don't understand. Can we get there from here?
Just keep going straight. And we don't have to go through that part.
Oh, here's where they're putting the flowy dresses on.
Oh, the flowing
So
dresses.
funny, yeah. Yeah, but can we get down below?
Stewy and Emery here, closing Mykonos. We did the big three today. One of the ones on Stewy's bucket list was Mykonos, so here we are. We did the windmills. We
Beautiful.
walked through Little Venice and down kind of the main Rodeo Drive drag they have with all the shops and stuff, you know, the high-end stuff. And when we sat out, we had a wonderful lunch, as you saw, out on the little terrace there with the windmills.
Overlooking the windmills, which is
Overlooking
just
them.
beautiful. The color of the water here is beautiful. It's always breezy here, so it never feels too hot.
Right.
So it's really been really nice. Just very windy. And this is going to be the last day of our cruise. We get to Athens tomorrow, where we'll have a couple nights.
Yep. And so we'll be showing you all about Athens, what we do. And but that's it. This is the last of the cruise
All right.
on Norwegian Gem.
Yeah.
Had a blast.
Yeah.
Great ship.